Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this vacuum cleaner. I have received this one to review and it comes in this box, and let's have a look what we have got in here. So the model name is CY113, so around 450 grams, and the measurements 23 centimeter by 20 and 7, and not much information around it, so I would say let's open it up and see what we have got. Looks like this. So the user manual, pretty straightforward actually. It has got product information, 5 volt, 2 amps, charging, actually type C USB, and brushless engine. It has the HEPA filter, pretty standard, they all have this HEPA filter. They have got the USB charger on this one, dust collection bin, the air vent, and the lighting fixture. Pretty cool. Alright, let's see what else we have got. Well, the first thing I see that we have got 2 HEPA filters, which is really handy. Pretty good. So the other models we have reviewed, they all have one. So this is a good big plus actually. This is another head which we have got in here, which is pretty good actually. Let's see if we have some information about different accessories on this one. Not really. Well, it's a scrubbing brush, so it's a kind of scrubbing brush which you can do like this to clean it, and that's it basically. So this is one of the heads we have got. Let's see what is this one. Cool. So we have some more accessories. Actually this is pretty nice. So we have so many different types of heads in here. This is pretty handy. So let's see what we have. This one we have got probably this for the connection of the other one. This one, this is the USB A to USB C charging. This one is used a lot, I use it quite a lot, this one. This is for blowing the air usually, and in this case probably if you use it this way, so it would be because it's contracted, so you have a lot of force for cleaning. So here there is a kind of information about it. So seems like there is a kind of blowing mode and there is extraction mode. So I'm very curious about this one. So we never had this type before. In fact, this one is for the air blower. We have reviewed this one for the balloon, if you remember, in another video. So right, this is like a typical one for a car, but pretty cool actually. This is our vacuum cleaner itself. Oh, actually we have another HEPA filter as well in here. So the third one, this is pretty good actually. This is a really nice, good thing they have done. This is also quite handy to open this way and empty it, I would say. The clap in here is also quite nice. So it's a little bit more strong plastic, I would say. We have had quite a lot of different things. We have had a metal sheet, very tiny one. We have had paper, and most of them they have in paper, which we have reviewed. And the good thing about this one is actually if you open it from the front, so it doesn't make everywhere else dirty. I personally don't like it when you need to open from here or from the back, so it makes everywhere quite dirty with the dust. This is how it looks like from the front. Quite a nice design, I would say here. Pretty good. And this is our battery indication. So this is our power button. So it has a light itself. There we go. So one press is the light, double press it would not do anything specific, so I'm not really sure. Let's have a look. So how to turn this thing on? So startup, press and hold for 2 seconds to start the machine, and the machine will start in first gear, and then press for the second time, then second gear and third one. Then to turn it off you need to press and hold it once again. Now the question is, how can you actually assemble the blow mode? So seems like you can actually assemble things from the other side, from here. Look like this. Oops. Check it out. Here it goes in here and you can close it. And this is where the air will be blown. Let me try something else, maybe this one. There we go. This is actually a very cool idea because this one is actually sucking the air in and the dirt is filtered out in here, and the air which comes out from here is supposed to be clean. Well, I'm not sure if it's clean, but what we can do is that in order to make sure it's completely clean, you can remove this. So in this case, the air which goes inside is pretty clean. So now if I turn it on, it's blowing the air. Check it out. Whereas this one is sucking the air in. Actually, this is a really interesting idea what they have done. It's pretty cool. So, which means on this one device we have the both functionalities actually, which is really nice. That is, well, should be the other way around. There we go. So now we could connect different types of heads. So this one pretty simple, goes inside. We have got this one as well, like this. Yes, there we go. And the rest of the utilities we have, our accessories in here, so they're all for the blower, for this side. This scrubber is also for the vacuum part, so for this part. It's a little bit of tougher thing, I would say, so for cleaning, scrubbing. And so let's open up this one, and for changing the HEPA filter, very easy, just drag it from here, right? I mean, we did it so many times in this channel with different products, so right. It's not that heavy, quite a light product, I would say. I like the idea of the light. Basically, when you keep it, it turns on like this. And this is the gear. Second one, third one. Press and hold to turn it off. Very straightforward actually. Well, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked it. If so, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos on a daily basis. Make sure you stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, thank you, and bye bye.